Hello, I'm Patrick Jamison, and today we're going to install the sliding glass door 670-770 corner meet door. In this video, I'm going to unpackage the product and show you some of the suggested tools you'll need for this install. Here are some of the suggested tools you'll need for this install. Starting with the razor knife, impact drill, laser level, tape measure, the appropriate size level, sealant, glass suction cup, rubber mallet, and screwdrivers, number 3 Phillips, and a flathead. Here are the glass panels and main frames for our install today. The configuration is an outside corner meet door, bypass. I'm now ready to unpackage both main frames. I've now laid out both sets of main frames. You'll notice some parts and pieces have been taped to the frames. We need to remove these parts for proper installation. Some of the parts and pieces we have is starting with our parts box with the handles, assembly screws, etc. We have our fastener cover for the jamb. Here's our jamb. Here's our header with fastener covers. Our track finishing rail. Here's our track with the track insert and the sill riser adapter. To recap, I've now shown you some of the suggested tools you'll need for this install, as well as unpackaging the mainframe. In the next video, I'm going to demonstrate how to assemble and properly seal the mainframe and prepare it for installation.